I think the story that really resonates with me, and just this whole weekend actually, is how real Rachel and Michael are in terms of how they teach. I remember Rachel going outside and showing us these tricks and tips to get such great video footage that we could use in so many ways for what we wanted to bring to life in our own videos. And it wasn't just that she was showing us, she was just so in there with us. She really brings everybody in and is so inclusive, and so is Michael, you know, so inclusive, and she wants us to learn. She really wants us to learn and bring out the best in us. What I loved about this mastermind was that we weren't being spoken to so much, you know, like sometimes you go to those sort of events and you're just gathering a whole bunch of information and then you got to go home and use it and apply it. We do that here. So what was really great was that it's all about doing and learning confidence in the moment. And that's what I really learned about myself. If anybody else is interested in learning video, I would say this is the place to do it, because you're really going to get people that know what they're doing, that really care about bringing your business to life. And what I found with Rachel and Michael is that they are incredibly accessible and they champion you to your success. And I really felt that through the scavenger hunt. Their excitement is so contagious that you just want to be able to bring something to the table that's going to really shine and be awesome.